How hot is it?
Hotter than balls.
Yeah, hotter than balls. What's up, guys? I wanted to give you all an update on the VOODOO body I got from Highway 1 RC. I've got it mounted on the Trx4, and just want to go over some of the things I've done to it. I had to, first of all, take this over here. I had to make, because they had already put holes in it for the body post, it did not line up with the Trx4, so I had to make my own, just 3D printed my own post, and made them basically sit directly on top of the mount to get the body down as low as possible. And I took the back bumper off. It was hideous with this truck, but I've managed to get it set in, using factory sliders. The body sets right. I don't know if you can see that. Right in the factory sliders. And another thing I did was, you notice the battery. It's setting, pretty much below the frame. This is the stock battery tray, and it basically set, take the battery out. It basically sets right there. So I printed a low center of gravity tray. Just use regular Velcro that I had. I got it in backwards. Let me get that out of the way. But look at the battery now. I'm running a shorty battery, I always do, but this can hold up to about 5-inch battery before it hits the cross brace back here. But you can easily trim some of that away if you needed to, or just make sure your battery's 5 inches or shorter. So I just want to give you an update, let you see what it looks like on here after. I got it mounted. For the CRC, I finally got my sliders. These was made by Rick Skill RC. He made them for me, and they are, they're metal, they're heavy duty. I was going to do a video of the install, but I got them on and didn't want to take them back off. Well, they have the trays included, so had no issues just replacing my electronics right back on the trays. I got the interior in, I got my driver in. I don't know if y'all can even see this or not. Getting a close up of the, he done an excellent job on these sliders. So just want to give him a little shout out, and also my if you can sit under there, there we go, my muffler exhaust, I got it tucked up where I wanted it. So about to get some run videos. I know I keep saying that, but seems like something always comes up, and it's just now starting to cool off a little bit, so I can get somebody to go with me. That's about it. Just want to do just a quick little update since I got the VOODOO body on. Thanks again, guys, at Highway 1, Chris, Jay, all you guys, and thanks, Rick. Man, these are awesome. I've been waiting on these so long. Those are amazing. I'm gonna link Rick's channel in the description so y'all can check him out and maybe even talk to him about some sliders. Who knows? Just want to do it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.